Hello everyone, this box is Makita Recipro JR3051TK. Okay, unbox together. Logo Makita. Okay, instruction manual. Recipro instruction manual and JR3051T. Length of stroke 30 mm, stroke per minute 3000, pipe 130 mm, wood 255, and the net weight 3.3 kg. Overall length 447 mm. Okay. In the box we have the three blades. This is for wood, steel, and PVC. Okay, wood also. Okay, and this is B05153, B05038, B05044. Okay. Makita JR3051T 220 volt, 5.7 ampere, 50-60 Hz, 1200 watts, 3000 round per minute. Okay. Okay, we easily insert the blade. Example, we insert here. Okay, and we take out, just move. Okay, so I try. Okay, take out, easy. Okay. Switch, lock, unlock. Okay.